All right, so next up is Baudoin Collard of Satochip. You have the floor.
Thank you, thank you. Hello, everybody. So we are very pleased to present our project, which is called Satochip. It's a hardware wallet based on a smart card, like this one. And I will give you a bit more info during this half hour. You'll see there will be even a demonstration and even some goodies, perhaps. Yep. Okay, so let's start with a few description of the project. Here is the presentation. First, we will start with some motivations. Then we will present our solution with Satochip. Then we will give some more details about the ecosystem that we use, the applications, the wallets, and so on. And then Bastien, here, my comparse, will give you a demonstration of in live, hopefully. And we'll finally give a few words about the roadmap and so on. So, first of all, the challenge. So, as you can see, the cryptocurrency market is now worth more than $300 billion, and it's FOMO hard today. A significant amount is kept in exchange or on smartphone, computer wallets, in custody, and these are under the threats from hack, theft, and exit scam. So, as we say, not your keys, not your coins. Hack have been a problem since the beginning, actually. Of course, everybody remembers Mt. Gox, but there are billions that have been lost or stolen. And one solution, one almost a bulletproof solution, is to use a hardware wallet. And there are actually quite a few solutions already, like, of course, everybody knows Ledger, Trezor, Cold Card, Kiki, even John McAfee has one. So, what the problem with these solutions is that they are usually expensive, and everybody tries to keep the customer inside locked in its solution. So you will start to download the custom wallet design with the hardware wallet, and once you use it, then it's difficult to change. It's not always standard. It's not always open source or fully open source. For example, Ledger has a part that is open source, but not everything is open source. There are many untested features, and in general, it's still in mature. So here is Satochip hardware wallet. It's based on a Java card, on a smart card. So everybody knows smart card because it's already used in SIM cards, in credit cards, and so on. And it's written in Java card, and it's so what's a smart card actually? It's really simple. It's an embedded integrated circuit. So it's a very small computer inside of a very small chip, but it's also tamper resistant. It has a secure element, so everything that is stored inside the chip is really well protected, and it's optimized for cryptographic operation. So smart card security has been around for 40 years. It's a very mature technology. It's been used to protect financial transactions, health record, telecommunication with SIM cards. So there are more than 1 billion cards already in circulation. And it has a very minimal attack surface because the design is very simple. A smart card has very limited interaction with the outside world, so it's really made for security. And the Java card is a specific subset of smart card which can be programmed in code very similar to Java. It's very simple to develop and to audit. And now the Satochip ecosystem. So it's composed of a Satochip applet. Everything is open source, so you can check our GitHub repository and you will find every code. You can check them, audit it, even improve it and submit pull requests. So we have a Satochip applet, which is the firmware that is loaded on a smart card and that will store the private keys and perform the transaction signatures. We have the software wallet, which is based on Electron Cash. So it's natively supported. So the smart card Satochip is natively supported by Electron Cash and Electron Cash SLP for SLP token. And so the wallet only contains the public key and transaction info. We support multi-sig signature and message signing also. So you can safely store your BCH on Spice, any kind of SLP token. And we also use optionally Satochip 2FA, which is an Android application. If enabled, this allows, it's an additional layer of security where every time you want to perform a transaction, you have to confirm it first on your Android application. And if the application rejects the transaction, then the card will not sign it. So it's a very simple Android application where you get a transaction proposal and you approve it or you reject it just to have a second factor. Now Bastien will do.
So right now we will have a hands-on demo. I have here Satochip loaded with our code. So as Baudoin said, the code is fully open source and available on GitHub. So you can buy such a Java card by yourself and load the code on the chip. Let me just start the Electron Cash client. Here is the screen. So this is the latest version of Electron Cash downloaded from the Electron Cash website. So I will use this card as my hardware wallet. I just plug it into my card reader and try to create a new hardware wallet. I will code 2020 BCH Lover. And I will create a standard wallet to hold my Bitcoin Cash cryptocurrencies. So I would like to use a hardware device. And when I click next, the Electron Cash client will scan the chip of the card and detect this is a hardware wallet. And I will be able to use it to safely store my private keys. Just wait a moment to detect the card. This is the device. So my Satochip card is recognized. And now I will be asked to enter a personal PIN code. So just like your bank card or your Visa card, you have a PIN code up to 64 characters. Here I will enter a simply one just to secure my hardware wallet. I will enter it twice. And for the demo, I will not use the 2FA application so you can see more easily what's going on. I already have a seed because I already have a Bitcoin Cash wallet. I want just to use the hardware wallet to secure it. I think I have this one, all right. And this is the derivation path of the standard Electron Cash wallet. As you can see, this is a really easy next setup, and you can use your SLP hardware wallet or even your Bitcoin Cash hardware wallet on a smart card. It's really easy to use, and as you can see, we have made some transaction, and this is my Bitcoin Cash wallet balance right now. So if I unplug my card, now it's barely impossible to spend the fund. Useless, you have my PIN code and my card. So I will plug it in. And I will invite people on YouTube to share me a Bitcoin Cash address if they want. So maybe I can send them some Bitcoin Cash. If someone would like to pass a Bitcoin Cash address. I have the meetup. I will check it. I will send to the first one. I don't know if someone wants to share a Bitcoin Cash address. If not, I can make a donation to the Electron Cash funds right now. So I will check the address. This one.
Maybe give a few seconds.
I will wait a few seconds if someone wants to have some Bitcoin Cash from the Satochip team, just to show how it goes. So let's have a look. I would like to spend something, so here is my card. If I want to spend something, I just put my wallet on the reader. Just go to the send menu. And I would like to pay to the, this is the Bitcoin, this is the Electron Cash Bitcoin Cash address. Thank you for the work, guys. All right. And I will spend, let's say, 20 token. Yes. And it's very easy to use. It will ask my PIN code. And now funds are gone. So it's signing the transaction and payment is done. So basically, this is how we can use this hardware wallet. It's very easy to use. It can be read by NFC. You can plug it in a card reader like this one, or any card reader will fit. And it's very easy to use, portable and fancy. So I can't see any Bitcoin Cash address, so we will go back to the presentation with Baudoin. Here you are. Let's go.
Okay. So Bastien just show you a real quick demo of the use, very simple. As you see, it's as simple as using the standard Electron Cash version, but with much more security, because your funds are kept inside the smart card, and the keys, the private keys, are never leaving the card actually. So the transaction is done inside the card, and only the signature is output from the card. Yeah. So just a few words about the future developments. So we currently already support 2FA. We also we didn't show it on this computer, but we also support NFC. So this means that, for example, as it's often used on a mobile wallet, you can communicate with the card with NFC, with contactless then. We also support, so of course we support SLP token, we support PCH, but we also support Bitcoin, Litecoin, and in the future we will try to support as many crypto as possible. We also support Ethereum and ERC20. And we are also working on the mobile wallet with Electron Cash and the Electrum mobile version of the wallet. If you're interested and if you want to have more information, so as I said, all the code is public and is available sorry, on our GitHub repository. The link is shown on the screen. We also have a website that you can check with a lot of interesting stuff, satochip.io, our Twitter handle, Satochip Wallet, and our Telegram. If you have more questions and for support, we are there almost 24 hours a day.
Feel free to join us.
So feel free to join us, to send your feedback and so on. We will be more than happy to answer. So who are we? Maybe we should have started with this, but then that's us. I'm Baudoin Collard. We are from Belgium.
Yep.
And I have a PhD in cryptography. I've worked with Jean-Jacques Cuscota, which is one of the few happy people listed in the Bitcoin white paper, actually. I've worked as a security engineer, notably at Atos 49. We are doing terminal payments. And this is Bastien.
Yes, I'm Bastien. So the TBO of Satochip. I have a master in science computer, and I am a system engineer in Belgium. So if you have any questions, just reach us by mail or Telegram. I'm happy to be here with you, and I hope you enjoy the demonstration.
Thanks, guys. That was great. That was really nice. So any questions for Satochip? Let's see. So everything you do is open source, right? But are you going to develop like a product based on it to sell or to use or to get adopted?
So if you go on our website, satochip.io, you can already buy smart cards like this one. We have several designs. This is the SLP one. This is the Bitcoin Cash design. There is also a Litecoin design. You can check on the website. There are multiple designs, and what's fun with this is we can do other design if you are interested. So check out our website. We try to do and to be the cheapest and the most affordable smart hardware wallet on the market. So we are currently selling at $25 for the hardware wallet, which is pretty decent, I think. Our goal is, of course, to lower the price, but to help us with this, we need to increase the volume. So please have a look at our website.
Okay. All right. So I put the website in the chat.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, thank you, Baudoin, Bastien. Thank you so much, Satochip.io. A real pleasure having you guys on today.
And happy birthday.
CH, yes.
Happy Bitcoin Cash.
Yeah.
And a fork day anniversary. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.